Hey! In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that location is now off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing the same icon. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well, tap on location section after scrolling down under battery, and manage location by clicking on this sweater next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!